riendekithia ria mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kwa guteneria kaimana igoti ria VAT indo-ini cia maguta na handu-ini ha uguo rinyihio na gicunji kia 50 na igana nithiite na mbere gututhura mawoni ngurani kuma kuri atongoria miahu-ini yothe ya kiuteti makiria riri mbunge ya bururi niirigiriirwo kwaririria riendekithia riri kiumia giukite. Kuringana na uhoro wa gwitikio kuma kuri amwe a atongoria aria twaraniirie nao kiama-ini kia Jubilee, gutire kurakurikana kana ambunge othe ni makaiguithanirie kuhitukia mendekithia maya na murugamo umwe, kuna amwe ao mendekithietie VAT no guteanirio kaimana.
I would request that the VAT, 16% VAT, not even to be added, even 1%. If we were in a good position, because Kenyans are heavily taxed. We are facing very hard times, and so I'm hoping the wisdom of Parliament, together with the wisdom of the President, we are going to think about normal mwananchi who is suffering.
Hata ikiwekwa 2%, 3%, umaskini ambayo kuongezwa kwa bei ya mafuta italeta kwa wananchi, itaumiza watu.
We will reach a decision. We will support the President on the 8% and the many other items that he will return using Article 115 of the Constitution, which is presidential referrals when a bill is presented to him.
Mweneno wa mungethaniro murugamo uroneka gukorwo hana toyo wa amwe thiini wa Jubilee, amwe a bunge thiini wa ODM nao makiendekithia VAT no guteanirio kaimana na gutuika mutongoria wa anini mbunge-ini John Mbadi ugite mucemanio uria magatabania mbere ya guthie bunge niguo gatuithania murugamo uria makayukia.
That bill, as you have sent it, we are going to send it back to you in the State House. And whether you sign it or not, it will become law. We are saying zero application of VAT on petroleum products because it will affect the cost of living.
Mimi kama mbunge kutoka Migori County hapa niko na makinyamita na niko na wabunge wengine wengi kusema kwamba VAT must come down to zero.
You know, obviously for us to overrule the president we need 233 MPs. No coalition has that number, whether Jubilee or NASA. So for us to realize that number, we have to cut across. We have to move from one side to the other side of the aisle. So definitely we will lobby.
Akirekereria riendekithia riri President araugire ni riguteithiriria bururi na njira nene hari gukinyaniria mabataro maguo ma uthii wa na mbere undu umwe na kwirugamirira undu uria na thengia wa ureganio ni unyititwo mbaru ni amwe a bunge thirikari-ini.
And I'll consult with my people right here because they are here, so that when I speak in Parliament, I have the full authority and mandate of my people. But in my view, I think the President has looked for a good middle ground, because as much as we want to protect our people from excessive taxation, we also know that these people need roads, they need water, they need electricity.
Namuunga mkono kwa sababu wamesema our government lazima tukaze kamba. We must tighten our belts, and he has introduced other austerity measures. Na mimi kama mbunge wa Kiharu, kwa sababu nataka pesa, serikali ipate pesa ndio ilete maendeleo, pia namuunga mkono.
Utigani uyu wa kemiario gatagati ka atongoria matiganĩte ũkĩruta kamwe neni ka maũndũ ũrĩa magakorwo mahana mbunge-ini kiumia giukite. Kiuria kinene erikana mbunge-ini kaiyukia mendekithia maya ma President kana eregane namo kaimana. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Mwaura wa Gunya.